Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake biscuit. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature for that perfectly smooth filling. Preheat your oven to the correct temperature as specified in your recipe. This preparation ensures a seamless baking experience and a delicious final product. We'll cover the base, filling, and baking steps. Let's start with the delicious biscuit base. Crush your favorite digestive biscuits until they form fine crumbs. Then, mix these crumbs thoroughly with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Pop it into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to chill and set, creating a perfect foundation for your cheesecake. Now for the star of the show, the rich cheesecake filling. Beat 16 ounces of room temperature cream cheese until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Gradually incorporate 1 cup of sugar, followed by 2 large eggs, mixing until just combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 cup of sour cream. Pour this smooth, creamy mixture over your chilled biscuit base. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the cheesecake in your preheated oven and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack. The crucial final step is chilling. Refrigerate your cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to achieve that perfect firm texture before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.